In this video, I'll reveal the top-rated credit cards specifically designed for beginners. So without any further ado, let's dive in and find out. On number 1, we have Discover It Student Chrome Credit Card. This card is a solid pick for students. It has no annual fee, which is perfect if you're just learning to manage a credit card. Plus, it offers 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants on up to $1,000 each quarter, along with unlimited 1% cash back on all other purchases. Another standout feature is its cashback match feature, which doubles the cashback you've earned at the end of your first year. For example, turning $100 cash back into $200. Plus, there's no required minimum credit score to apply, so it's accessible to those who are building credit for the first time. On number 2, we have Capital One Quicksilver One Cash Rewards Card. This card is also relatively beginner-friendly, as it only requires fair or limited credit to apply. While it does come with a small annual fee, the perks help balance it out. You'll earn 1.5% unlimited cashback on every purchase, which is straightforward, so you don't need to worry about rotating categories. Additionally, it also offers CreditWise, a tool that helps you monitor your credit score for free, which is super helpful when you're just starting out. On number 3, we have Capital One Venture One Rewards Card. It has no annual or foreign transaction fees, so it's great if you're considering a trip abroad. With 1.25 miles on all purchases and 5x miles on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel. Plus, there's a welcome bonus of 20,000 miles, which is worth $200 in travel credits if you spend $500 in the first 3 months. Overall, each of these cards offers something unique for beginners, whether it's cashback, travel rewards, or tools to help monitor and build credit responsibly. But as always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.